Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you on your Nintendo Switch 2 how to manually connect to different Wi-Fi networks in the event that yours is either not connecting automatically or you change something and it's a new network. Whatever the case may be, all you have to do is pop over to the Settings tab here for System Settings. And then inside of System Settings, we're going to scroll down on the left-hand sidebar to Internet. And this is where it would normally say your connection information so that you can then connect to the internet. So in this case, I don't have anything connected, so I'm going to click A to select the internet. And here, I'm going to go to Internet Settings. Now this is going to search for nearby networks, both ones that I've remembered from the past, like I pulled settings from my original Switch 1, and I stayed at a Holiday Inn Express, and it appears that it saved that network from before. So the first thing I want to do is I want to select that one, and I want to clear the settings because I don't want to hang on to, you know, free hotel Wi-Fi in perpetuity. There's no reason to have that on my system. And then I can just go down here and I can click on my home network, and then I can input the password for this as well. This is why it's nice to have these controllers allow you to do the mouse mode, because it's so much quicker. And then once I am done, I will hit the plus symbol for OK, and that should automatically do the connection process, unless there is something wrong with your network, in which case it may not connect to the wireless network, or the wireless network might not currently have internet access. But if it's all good, it should show blue across the board, and then presto changeo, bingo bango, you are now connected to the internet. And then down below here, it'll show you connection status and a bunch of other numbers and IP address information for your network connection. You can also go here to test your connection, where it will verify that everything is working well and that everything is pinging to the internet, and it'll also tell you what your current internet download and upload speeds are. Although I have Starlink, so mine is a little bit fluctuating depending on when I do the test. Although 73.9 megabits per second download isn't bad, and 11 up, again, not bad. And then we can hit back, and then that's it. That's how you can change your internet settings at any time by just going to Internet Settings and connecting to the available network that you want to use. You can also do a wired connection, which allows you to just plug in to a wire to your base station to play on your Nintendo Switch. And you can also do a manual setup as well, where you manually enter the network name and the password and what security level it is, allowing you to connect to a hidden network if necessary. A lot of people, especially tech people, like to hide their network so no one even tries to connect to it because it's hidden. And then down here, you can tweak all of the appropriate settings so that they match what you're trying to connect to. And that's pretty much it. And you can also determine if you want to auto reconnect to that network or if you want to have to manually reconnect every single time. And that's really it. That's how you connect to the internet and change Wi-Fi settings on the Nintendo Switch 2. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.